Today we are going to create an Armenian lamb stew, and this stew has flavors that my mum used to actually employ every now and then, but with tenderloin and more heavily spiced for the fall. And that's the beauty about cooking, where you merge two cuisines and two styles, creating your own unique taste. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon so you don't miss a single recipe that I post week on week. This stew is an unstirred stew, making our lives so much more easy come fall. So into a bowl, I've got 1.5 kg of lamb bone-in pieces, and I'm going to put nearly 3 tablespoons of smoked red paprika. And I want this smokiness and the heat to really transcend. So just go as liberal as you can handle. Into that, you put nearly 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder, and we're going to add a good amount of some rock sea salt. So just put that in and give all this a really good mix so that the spices infuse, and more importantly, just flavor the entire creation. Into this, I'm going to slather in some extra virgin olive oil, so nearly 20 to 25 mils of it, along with 1.5 inches of ginger that I've just slightly bruised, and 15 cloves of garlic that I've smashed up. And this is going to give it that robust flavor. A large quill of cinnamon, 2 star anise for the licoricey goodness, and just about 8 cloves going in. We're going to keep this on the side for 15 minutes. While the lamb has marinated for 15 minutes, now you need to do some layering magic. So 8 potatoes cut into really 1 centimeter thick chunks, and we're going to line them on the base and add some tomatoes and onions as well. 4 onions cut into about 0.5 centimeter roundels, just so that all the flavor actually merges with each other, giving it that robust energy through and through. And lastly, 4 tomatoes cut into the same 1 centimeter thickness to give it that piquant tartness through and through. You can either alternate lamb and vegetable in layers, or put the vegetables down and put the lamb sandwiched in the middle and topped with the remaining vegetables. Anything works well out here. It's about getting the flavors through and through, and the beauty about this is you don't really need to stir. The remaining potatoes cover the meat perfectly well. So I've just got 5 pieces, and the sliced onions as well. Just put them on top. And now comes the best part about the overall creation. Now you take nearly 2 cups of a full-bodied red wine and pour that in. So if you do not want to use red wine, go right ahead and use some puree, tomato puree and tomato paste. It works fine as well. I'm just obsessed, so going overboard here. Lastly, 1/2 cup of water, and we're going to put this on the stove top for a boil and simmer it away for a good 45 to 1 hour. This is one of those stews that is never ever stirred. So as soon as you see it blistering and bubbling away, you're going to lower the heat and cook it covered for a good 1 hour. That's all that's there to this. An hour of simmering this, and this gorgeous creation is ready. All this requires now is a fine sprinkle of some cilantro or parsley or basil, and you're good to enjoy this. I hope you enjoyed creating this one with me. Now you can either pair this with some pea pilaff, steamed rice, or go right ahead like me and enjoy it in a bowl with some sourdough bread. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a note below.